In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete PayPal contacts. Maintaining a clean and organized contact list in PayPal is a great way to ensure your transactions are always sent to the right people and to keep your account tidy. Over time, you might accumulate contacts you no longer interact with, or perhaps you just want to remove old entries. Deleting these contacts is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to make it as easy as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Once you're securely logged in, you'll typically land on your account summary page. This is your main dashboard where you can see recent activity, balances, and quick access options. Look towards the section where you might see options to send money or view recent payments. Our initial step involves locating a specific icon. On your summary page, near the area where you might see options like Send Money or Send Again to frequent contacts, you'll find a small icon consisting of 3 vertical dotted lines. This icon is usually a universal symbol for More Options or a mini menu. It's positioned quite distinctively, often right alongside the Send Again feature if you have one displayed. Don't worry if it's not immediately obvious. Just scan the area around your recent transactions or quick action buttons. Click on this 3-dotted line icon to reveal a small drop-down menu with further choices. Once you click those 3 dotted lines, a small menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll see various options related to managing your account or sending money. What we're looking for is the option labeled Manage Contacts. This is your gateway to viewing and organizing all the people you've transacted with or added to your PayPal contact list. Go ahead and click on Manage Contacts to proceed. After clicking Manage Contacts, you'll be redirected to a dedicated page that displays your entire list of saved PayPal contacts. Take a moment to review this list. You'll see names and possibly other details for everyone you've previously sent money to or added manually. This is where you can identify the specific contact or contacts you wish to remove. To delete a contact, simply locate the individual you want to remove from your list. You'll need to select them, which might involve clicking on their name or a checkbox next to their entry. Once a contact is selected, you'll typically see an option appear, often a button, labeled Remove Contact. It's crucial to double-check that you've selected the correct contact before proceeding. Once you're certain, click the Remove Contact button. PayPal will usually prompt you with a confirmation message, asking if you're sure you want to delete this contact. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your choice, and the contact will be successfully removed from your PayPal account. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep your PayPal contact list up to date and free from unnecessary entries.